I prophesied as I was commanded. I saw some results, and he said prophesy again. Again is a powerful word. It is the press for perfection. Again, I fasted, but I can fast again. I studied, but I can study again. I was serious with God and later became unserious. I can be serious again. For someone, this is your prophetic word tonight. Again, God is saying go back again, go back again, go back again. Go back the same way it was while you were with him on campus. I'm saying this prophetically. God is saying there was something you and me did while you were on campus. As soon as you came out, the vicissitudes of life have eroded your passion, eroded your prayer life, eroded your walk with God. Some of this before you started making money, and that word again, like the hair of Samson, God is calling you. Void yourself of these distractions and return to the place where you can say again. Man of God, the prophetic word you saw for the nations that you are a prophet, you saw it 10 years ago. Till now it has not spoken, because the grace, please help them. We'll spend the last few minutes and I'll just pray for you, but just help them. I just sense that there is a shift in the atmosphere. The anointing that is shifting in the atmosphere is an anointing that is bringing stability back. There are people's lives that are is like a reed before the wind. Please hear me, listen very carefully. We're about to pray. Please be sensitive now. Spiritual illumination backed up by a life of intense prayer and fellowship with the secret is the key to ever increasing grace.